I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've opened Canva and chosen your design. Now start by confirming length and format so audio syncs correctly. Click the project, then open the audio panel on the left. This gives you built-in tracks. If you'll use your own file, choose Uploads and drag the MP3 or WAV in. Once uploaded, hover to preview. This helps you pick the right mood. Make sure volume norms are considered early, because fixing levels later wastes time and can hurt clarity. Now drag the chosen track into the timeline. Placing it at the precise start point ensures beats land on cuts. Use the trim handles or the split tool to remove unwanted intro or tail. Once done, move segments so accents match key visuals. You can layer multiple tracks by adding additional audio clips, then reduce clip volumes to avoid clashes. Also, use fades at both ends to prevent abrupt starts or stops. These edits provide a polished, professional rhythm to your piece. Finish by previewing the entire video to confirm timing and levels. Make small volume tweaks so music doesn't overpower speech. When pleased, export using your chosen resolution and codec. Canva renders audio with the video automatically. If voices aren't clear, reduce music volume or apply background reduction to the music layer. If export fails or audio drops out, try shortening the audio, toggling individual tracks off, or clearing cache and reloading. These quick fixes often resolve sync or export errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.